Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a very quick tip on how to remove bolts for the rotors that are like kind of seized and then the head is broken off or stripped. The best way after all these years of DIY or backyard mechanic, it is using the Dremel. I am using here a Dremel, and this is a I forgot the name, a carbide tip. It's like this carbide tip or diamond tip, something like that. I got it off Amazon, and this is amazing. This removes any shaves any metal very amazingly without the need of drilling. The thing with drills is I notice it never works out and takes forever. This one takes maybe a minute or two. Just grind off the surface of the bolt, grind off the whole head. So for example, if your bolt is like this, you grind off the whole surface till and then you try to dig in as deep as possible from the bolt, and then use a sledgehammer, hit the rotor. After you hit the rotor with a 4-pound hammer, I strongly suggest, or heavier, this will just kind of pop out and eventually your rotor will be loose. But make sure you kind of grind the head of the bolt. So for the BMW it's much larger, but usually for the Hondas, Toyotas, I don't have any trouble. I usually, it takes a couple of minutes, few hammers, and that's it. That's about it. And yeah, it's much faster, much faster, trust me, using the Dremel. I tried it. I always thought that drills were the only solutions. Drills are not the only solution, and not even the best. Dremel is the best using this kind of tip. It's a carbide tip or something, I forgot the name of it, or tungsten, whatever. And then just grind off the head much faster. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope it helped you guys.